Welcome to LeadSub, your partner for Independence Day gift sourcing. This guide is for design agencies, gift shop owners, and wholesalers. Let's explore our best-selling Independence Day collection. First, our Home and Decoration series. Here are blank photo frames and ceramic plates, customizable fridge magnets and keychains. Watch the sublimation printing process. High-definition transfer with vibrant color reproduction. Patriotic themes that attract seasonal buyers. A complete decoration collection for holiday retail. Next, our drinkware and kitchen series. Blank ceramic mugs and stainless steel water bottles. Bottle openers, wine stoppers, and blank coaster. Watch the printing process. Sharp graphics and long-lasting durability. Patriotic themes with premium finishes. Ideal for gift stores and souvenir shops. Third, our Everyday Gifts and Accessories series. Customizable ornament, mouse pads, blank t-shirts, and lighters. Watch the printing and finishing details. Durable prints with excellent color performance. Clean edges and professional quality. Easy to display and easy to sell. Perfect for seasonal retail and event merchandising. At LeadSub, we offer factory direct manufacturing, large inventory and stable supply. Low mock and wholesale pricing available. One-stop sourcing for all your sublimation gift needs. Contact us today for our 2026 Independence Day catalog and price list.